Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Ankita, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Second semester from Audi section. USN is 1VE23017. Subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. Topic Civil Engineering for Civilization and Surviving. Our main agenda is Civil Engineering for Civilization, Surviving, Classification of Surviving, Plane Surviving, Geodetic Surviving, Classification based on Purpose of Surviving, Classification based on Instrument used for the Surviving, purpose of Surviving. First of all, we have to discuss about definition. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and natural built environment. Civilization. A human society that has highly developed material and scriptural resources and a complex cultural, political, and legal organization. Surviving. Civil surviving is an engineering operation that involves assessing and recording details about an area of land. This observation can then be used to help plan construction project. The main purpose of surviving in civil engineering is to determine the three-dimensional relationship between different locations. Plane surviving. A plane surviving may be a specific shot of surviving where the specific of world under consideration is taken into account as plane, and therefore the curvature of the world isn't taken into account. Geodetic surviving. The geodetic survives determines the precise position of determinants points permanent points on the Earth's surface, taking into account the specific size and curvature of the Earth. Classification based on the purpose of the surviving. Topographic survives. A topographic survives located all surface features of a property as depicts all natural features and evaluations. In essence, it is a three-dimensional map of a three-dimensional property showing all natural and man-made features and improvements. Cadastral survive. Cadastral survive means a survive to judge land boundaries and subdivision. These boundaries are defined to understand the limitation of land titles. The cadastral survey is conducted periodically to locate the boundaries on the map and ground to facilitate proper management of land parcels. City survives. An elaborate survey carried out in an area administered by a municipal corporations. It is conducted when extensive infrastructure improvement are required in an area. These surveys help to draw maps to know boundaries and located public utilizations. Mine surveys. Mine surveys is the practice of determining the relative position of points on the on or beneath the surface of the earth by direct or indirect measurement of distance, direction, and evaluations. Now we have to discuss about classification based on the instrument based instrument used for surviving. Chain surviving. Chain surviving is a branch of land surviving that focuses on taking linear measurement in the field without involving angular measurements. This method is partially sustainable for surveying small areas with simple details. Compass survives. Compass survives. It is a type of the surviving in which the direction of surviving lines and determine with a magnetic compass, and the length of the surviving lines are measured with a tap or chain or laser range finder. Tachometric survive. Tachometric survive is a branch of surviving in which horizontal and vertical distance are determined by taking angular observation with an instrument known as tachometric. Tachometric survive is an adept is rough and difficult turn which direct leveling and changing are either not possible. Plane table surviving. Plane table surviving is an geographical method of surviving in which the field observations and polluting are done simultaneously. Purpose of surviving: to define control points and boundaries of an area, for example, a cadastral surviving. To, to prepare a map or plan represent an area on the horizontal plane. To determine the distance and angle between various objects. To determine the relative position of an object or points on the earth. Thank you. Please